Come pack perfumes with me to my Milan trip. So I am going to Milan to attend Milan Essence, which is basically a perfume exhibition for niche perfume brands. I'm going to take only 5 perfumes, and that's the challenge, for a perfume creator or a perfume enthusiast. It's so difficult to carry just 5. So my hack is to carry this. This is my perfume Portly, and I carry a lot of samples in this. This is going to go with me there, but apart from this, I'm also going to take 5 perfumes which will help me smell great in Milan. So I have to impress people in Essence. You have to show your taste in perfume. So we have to select perfume based on that. So let's just go. Let's just try to find a perfume which represents Milan first. I want to try Cavot first. I think it's a strong contender, Fragrance du Bois. And the second one that I have my eyes on is something called Musk Ravager. I think this is so beautiful. It has musk and it is a small one which I can take with me. So I'm going to keep this. So I have something called Citrus Batikanga from Maison Crivelli, one of my favorite houses. Because as we are going during summertime, you need something which is very fresh, citrusy. This is great. I think I'm going to carry this with me for sure. So I don't want to carry the typical famous ones that everyone knows. I want to carry some perfumes which are, hidden, unique. A lot of people don't know about them. I want to carry something which is, very feminine. It's like floral, delicate. The third one is going to be Lavon. So I just recently opened this and I think I should carry this to Milan because the quality of the perfume is very good and I know the real perfume connoisseurs would enjoy smelling this on me. Let's find the other two. I want to carry something which is very musky for sure. So I think I'll carry Musk by Ella K. So we have 4 and let's find 5th one which represents Middle East because I'm from Dubai. So I need to take a perfume which kind of has that Dubai essence in it. So let's just see what else do we have. Oh my god. So the final one is the Amouage. As I told you, I already wanted to carry Must Narsana, but Amouage Existence is something beautiful. So Existence is gonna be the final perfume which I'm gonna wear to Milan. So I have this lot of body mist here, and I think something that I should carry with me is called Guilty as Fig, which is like a similar version of Father Figure of Flirt. So I'm gonna carry this to top it off everything. So it kind of creates that scent bubble. And last but not the least, we need a hair mist or a hair perfume because you need to smell great. So I'm gonna take Marfa hair perfume that I have from Memo Paris, and this is gonna be my hair perfume in the event, so I keep smelling great and leave that scent trail wherever I go. So these are the perfumes that I'm gonna carry to Milan. I think these are some of the best perfumes that I have in my collection, which I love wearing, and I'm gonna wear those in Milan. And plus some samples that I'm carrying in this Prada Portly that I have because I want variety. Let me know your picks for Milan. What perfume would you carry and wear it in Milan? Comment down below and tell me why. And stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye. See you in Milan.